outside.
Here we are with the Aisle 5 weather update. We woke up this morning with a text saying that there's blizzards. 2 blizzards in 1 week. That is just amazing. As you can see around me, the snow is still coming down with a furor. I don't know if that's a word, but let's look around at the snow. The damage that it's caused, and how much has fallen. Come over here and take a look at our car.
I'm being blinded by snow. I can't see.
Here are mine and Jen's cars, which was totally clear just yesterday before it started snowing. As you can see, the snow is piled up. I'm not even reaching the bottom, but this area was cleared down to the road after the last storm. We're guessing probably a foot or more has fallen by now. Snow is not going to stop until 11 tonight. We're guessing there's not going to be school for the rest of the week. Let's go check out over here where the snow was not plowed after the last storm, so we can see how much snow is actually on the ground now. As you can tell, there's a taxi here that stopped here last night. Not really sure why. Some of these cars still aren't plowed out from the last storm. They're not going to have fun getting out after this storm. Cut through here. Someone has fortunately shoveled part of the walk so we're able to get to the door. Look how tall these mountains of snow are, where people have shoveled out and made piles of snow, and then more snow has fallen. At some parts, they are taller than me. This is the snow I was talking about. As you can tell, the snow is higher than my waist. It would be hard for me to even walk into the snow without taking a huge step. Let's see what it looks like. I think I'm stuck. Well, as you can see, people, the snow is deep, and it's still falling. We're not really sure. There we go. Not really sure how much is going to fall by 11 p.m. tonight when it's not snowing, but it's still coming down now, and pretty heavily. We'll update you later. Hopefully my hair will be done by then. It does not look like a mane. And maybe more snow will have fallen. Back to you in the studio.
You're stuck in the snow, ha ha ha!